Hey Monty, what are you doing?
I'm hiding
Who are you hiding from?
my schoolwork.
You can't hide from schoolwork, Monty.
Yes, I can. I can hide if I want to hide, and I want to hide.
You're funny, Monty. Do you think your schoolwork is going to come looking for you?
No, and I don't want it to find me.
How is your brain going to grow if you don't do schoolwork?
You don't understand, Murphy. My brain is on holiday. I'm home. I'm not at school. So when I'm home, I'm on holiday having fun.
So what you're saying is,
I'm tired of homeschool, Murphy. This is my fun place. I get to play my ukulele. I make music with my piano. I like to play with my cars and watch stuff on TV. And I miss my friends, Murphy. I'm a little bit sad because I miss them so much. Don't you?
yes, Monty, I do miss school and I miss our friends, even though we get to see them nearly every day online, Monty.
But Murphy, they're all flat and I can't touch them. They don't look the same. And you can't smell them. We sing happy birthday, but we can't taste the cake or smell the candles.
Doesn't it bother you a little bit, Monty, that you're not stretching your brain with your schoolwork?
No, Murphy, it doesn't bother me at all. I'm fine with my brain being on holiday. I just want to play, Murphy. This is my playing space. This playing space makes me happy.
What would happen, Monty, if you just lay in bed all day and did nothing?
I'd have floppy legs, Murphy. Playing is important. It makes my body strong.
Stretching your brain is important too, Monty.
I don't really want a floppy brain.
I've never heard of a floppy brain.
What are all those orange bouncy balls you're playing with, Murphy?
They're my reward, Monty.
Why do you get a reward, Murphy?
It's a reward for doing my schoolwork.
Who gave it to you, Murphy?
I gave it to myself.
I don't get that.
Monty, I want my brain to be strong and grow, so doing my schoolwork is important to me, but I don't love sitting down for 2 hours. So I start at 9 o'clock, just like I would at school. Every 15 minutes that I focus, I give myself a bouncy ball.
Murphy, you've got 3 bouncy balls already, and now you've got 4.
Monty, it was fun. Every time the timer went off after 15 minutes, I gave myself an orange bouncy ball.
What do you do with your bouncy balls?
I swapped them, Monty. 4 bouncy balls gives me,
What do you get?
1 hour of playtime. But Monty, I like to take a quick break for 10 minutes and then do another hour really quickly so that I can have the rest of the day off for lots of playtime.
That's what I want, Murphy. Lots of playtime and a growing brain.
You can do it with me, Monty.
Let's do it, Murphy. But can I put my own orange bouncy balls in the container?
Yes, Monty.
Schoolwork time, Murphy.
How's your brain feeling, Monty?
It hurts a little bit, Murphy, but I feel like it grew. I'm proud of my puppy brain and I'm happy.
Will you need to hide from your schoolwork again, Monty?
No, Murphy, it didn't work. Hiding from my schoolwork didn't work. This feels better. Murphy, look at all my bouncy balls. I've got enough now. I can go out to play.